Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a skincare superstar that you've probably heard a lot about, retinol. Whether you're new to it or already using it, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about retinol. What is retinol? So what exactly is retinol? Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A and is one of the most researched and proven ingredients in skincare. It's known for its ability to boost collagen production, speed up cell turnover, and reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even acne. How does retinol work? Retinol works by penetrating deep into the skin to stimulate the production of new skin cells. This process helps to smooth out wrinkles and fine lines, giving your skin a more youthful appearance. It also helps to unclog pores, making it an excellent ingredient for those struggling with acne. Benefits of retinol. Now let's talk about the benefits of retinol. Regular use of retinol can result in reduced wrinkles. It minimizes the appearance of fine lines and deep wrinkles. Smoother skin texture. Retinol promotes smoother, more even skin texture. Clearer skin. It helps to clear up acne and prevent future breakouts. Brighten complexion. Retinol can fade dark spots and improve skin tone. How to use retinol. To get the most out of retinol, it's important to use it correctly. Start by using a pea-sized amount 2 to 3 times a week in your nighttime routine. Remember to always apply sunscreen during the day, as retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Common side effects and how to avoid them. Some common side effects when starting retinol include redness, dryness, and peeling. To minimize these effects, start slow, use a gentle moisturizer, and avoid combining retinol with other active ingredients like AHAs or BHAs. Who should avoid retinol? While retinol is beneficial for most, it's not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid retinol, as well as those with very sensitive skin or certain skin conditions. Always consult with a dermatologist before adding it to your routine. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and natural remedies.